good to help out in times of need.
Thank you so much.
What? This is not iPhone that I can't help you. This is not iPhone I'm seeing.
So?
This iPhone. I want to use my balasa.
Hello? Mandy, can you hear me? Yeah, something just came up, yeah. Can you just check in my wardrobe? I have some important document there I needed to get. Yeah, I need to get them and give it to Miss... Hello? Hello? Oh my God. My airtime just got finished. What do I do now? Oh my... Hello? Hello, sir.
Yes.
Please, can I use your phone? I just need to make a very quick phone call. My credit just got finished. Please, it won't take any long. Please, it's very important I use my phone. Please.
Well, what can a brother do? Always help out. It's good to help out in times of need.
Thank you so much.
What? This is not iPhone that I can't help you. This is not iPhone I'm seeing.
So?
This iPhone. I want to use my balasa.
I don't understand, but you offer to help now.
Please, leave my phone. What do you mean by that?
Oh, you just offer to help?
Yes.
Yeah?
That is what you have on you.
What does this got to do?
iPhone. I want to use my own balasa. You want to meet me? Eh? You want to suck my blood while you keep robusting and flourishing? Eh? And be slaming like slaming mama that you are. Then me and you. When you come Lagos, can't preach. Forget it. I don't have airtime.
Hey, God. You just offered to help me for Christ's sake.
And then I don't change my mind. Any of somebody inside.
Please, it's very important. It wasn't important whenever writing it.
Inside your iPhone. Most sell am make you get credit. But inside your iPhone, no dey play in game. Leave me with my balasa phone, okay?
Please, just for a minute.
Women.
Okay? It's very important. Please.
Let the poor. Please, leave me with my balasa alone. Thank you very much. Is that okay by you? Faxyman, Sumaya, over.
What is all this now? Eh? What kind of city is this? Huh? And I don't have credit. What's going on? What am I going to do now?
Faxyman still now go, hear what?